In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam game no license found error. If you're trying to launch a game on Steam and you see a message saying that no license was found, don't worry. In many cases, this is caused by an account mix-up, a temporary Steam issue, or a problem with the game's local files. We're going to go through a few simple fixes that are easy to follow and often solve the problem quickly. First, make sure you're logged into the correct Steam account. This is especially important if you use more than one account on the same computer. The no license found error can appear when the game was purchased or activated on a different account than the one currently signed in. Take a moment to check which account you're using and confirm that it's the one that actually owns the game. If needed, sign out and log back into the correct account before trying to launch the game again. Next, restart Steam. Sometimes Steam just needs a full refresh to properly recognize your game license. To do this, click Steam in the top left corner of the app, then choose Exit. Make sure Steam closes completely instead of just minimizing to the taskbar or system tray. After that, open Steam again and try launching the game one more time. This step may seem basic, but it can clear temporary glitches and reconnect the client to Steam's licensing servers. If the issue is still there, the next step is to verify the game files. This helps if some local files are missing, corrupted, or out of sync. In your Steam library, find the game that's showing the error and right-click on it. From there, select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace anything that's broken or incomplete. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, so let the process finish completely before testing the game again. As a general tip, after each fix, try opening the game right away so you can tell which steps solved the issue. That makes troubleshooting much easier and avoids changing too many things at once. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll often be able to get past the Steam no license found error and launch your game normally again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to gaming quickly.